Yes, my people, today I'm going to show you how to do this night vision effect in Premiere Pro. Let's jump straight into it. These are the two clips that I'm going to be using. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create an adjustment layer. So I'm going to come to my new item, adjustment layer, press OK. And then I'm going to drag my adjustment layer above my clips. What I'm going to do next, just to make it easier, is I'm going to nest both of my clips at the bottom, just so that I don't need to repeat the process twice, just for the tutorial's purpose. Press nest, and I'm going to put night vision. Once you've done this, you're going to go straight to your effects panel, and you're going to type in the tint effect, and you're going to drag that on your adjustment layer. You're going to go to your effects panel, and where it says map white, you're going to click, and you're going to change the color to type of cool green, yeah, for like night vision. Press OK, and this is what it looks like currently at the moment. All right, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go back to my effects panel, and I'm going to type in noise, as I want to add a bit of grain to it. I'm going to go to my effects panel, and I'm going to increase this to around 25%, and I'm going to uncheck use color noise. Next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to my Lumetri tab, and I'm going to go to vignette, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to decrease my amount to around, let's just say 2, so it gives me those shadows on the end of the clip, so it looks proper night vision, as you can see here, slowly coming together. Right, a little tip, guys, just to make it pop a bit more, is I'm going to copy my clip, I'm going to duplicate it, press the option key, click, drag up, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go back to my effects, I'm going to add Gaussian blur. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase my blurriness to around, let's just say 30%, and I'm going to change my blending mode to screen, just to make it pop a bit more. As you can see here, it's popped. And what I'll do is I'll decrease the opacity to around, let's say 50%. As you can see right now, it's popping just a bit more. Next thing we're going to do is you're going to go to your effects panel, and you're going to type in grid. As you can see here, there is no such thing as grid anymore on Premiere Pro. Due to some updates, this effect isn't there anymore. If you want to create an overlay, the quickest thing to do is to jump on ChatGPT and get it to create you a horizontal grid overlay, which I have done. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag that overlay on top. So as you can see here, I've got my overlay on top. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my effects control, and I'm going to change my blend mode to potentially, let's have a look. So that's soft light. Let's go more of an overlay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to decrease the opacity to around, let's just say 30%. Yeah. And there you go, my people. If you've liked what you've seen, please like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Have a blessed day, my people.